Hare Krishna viewers, today I am going to show you what I am going to prepare for Krishna.
Sattvic okra radish rice. I have cut okra into 0.5 to 8 mm pieces and radish in small rings of 2 mm. I have added little bit of salt, turmeric, pepper powder as well as apple cider vinegar to it. Please note that if the radish is not cut in sufficiently thin slices, it's not gonna cook and okra will overcook. So please be careful.
Taken some vegetable oil in kadai. I've heated it. I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Little bit. When it starts to splutter, I'm adding some chana dal and some urad dal. Now I'm just going to add some jeera in the end and just pour this mixture. I'm going to cook this in medium flame for 6 to 7 minutes.
Now let us prepare masala. In seasoning kadai, take some oil, add chana dal, green chilies and 7 to 8 pieces of coconut and 1 inch ginger nicely grated. Also add red chilies and fry it. Now in a mixie jar, make a dry powder. No need to add water to it. Let it be a coarse powder. No need to add any garam masala item in the mixie. Heat the oil in pressure cooker. Add mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, garam masala like 2-3 cinnamon pieces, 2-3 cloves, Jayatri bay leaves and also add peanuts. Roast it properly till it's golden brown. Then add 3 cups of water to the measure of rice you are going to take. Add salt as per taste. I have added separate salt for vegetables, so I am added less salt here. After the water properly boils, then only add 1 cup of washed rice and wait for 2 whistles. To the fried vegetable, add the ground masala powder and roast it for 1 more minute. After 2 whistles, switch off the pressure cooker, let the pressure go and wait for 10 minutes. After that, open the pressure cooker and check if the rice is boiled. Now we have to arrange rice like biryani. For that, take a portion of rice in other vessel, let it cool and now add 1 layer of the vegetable mixture to it and again layer it with rice layer. Add as much as rice required to cover the vegetables. Again add 1 more layer of vegetables. I'm using my hands. You can use spoon or spatula or something like that. Again layer it up. Like that, make minimum 4 to 5 layers and cover it up with the rice. As this is for offering, I have added some ghee to it on the top. No need to mix it. Take a offering plate, arrange it properly. With devotion and faith, offer it to Lord Shri Krishna. Chant appropriate prayers. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.